Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see today, I am going to share some tips and tricks to solve pre-level puzzles. See, there are some confusing statements that can cause ambiguity while solving puzzles. So in this video, I am going to explain all those statements that may cause confusion while solving puzzles. In my previous video, I explained all the types of puzzles that come in the exam. So I am assuming that you all are familiar with the types of puzzles. Here I took the example of floor based puzzles, or you can apply it to box based puzzles also. See, in bank exam, puzzles are the most important part of reasoning section. Once you solve it, you will definitely get 5 marks. So it is important to understand all the conditions given in the puzzle. So let's start. In all the questions, I have taken 8 floors in a building. So condition number 1 is A is 2 place above B. Then how we can place? See, there are 8 floors in the building. So in case A is 2 place above B, then we have to consider only one floor between A and B. Means here I can place B, then B's first floor and then second floor above A. Means between A and B there has to be only one floor. You can place B anywhere. This I have taken just example. So in case if A is 2 floor below B, then in similar manner if I place B here, then there has to be a gap of 1 floor and then we have to place A. Means B's first floor and second floor below A. Second one is there is only one person between A and B. So here you can place either A above B or A below B, and there has to be one floor between A and B. This concept is I'm considering that there is no vacant flat here, no vacant floor here. So vacant concept I will explain in my later video. Third one, there is 2 floor between A and B. 2 floors and 2 persons, this differentiation we can find in vacant when there is a vacant floor. Otherwise, simply you have to take 2 floors between A and B where either A is above B or A is below B. Fourth one, the number of floor between A and B is same as the number of floor between X and Y. What does it mean? Means if we consider 2 floors between A and B, then we have to consider 2 floors between X and Y also. Means here you can see that there is 2 floors between A and B and I have taken 2 floors between X and Y. Here B also, A can be above B or B can be above A. Fifth one is the number of floors between A and B is 1 more than between X and Y. If there are 2 floors between A and B, then there will be 1 floor between X and Y because between A and B the floor is 1 more than X and Y. Here let's see the example. I have taken 1 floor between X and Y, and between A and B there is 1 more floor. So I have to take 2 floor between A and B. So I have taken here 2 floor gap between A and B. Sixth one, A live above B and A live exactly above B. What is the difference between these two statements? In the this one, A live above B, here A can be anywhere above B. See, A is first, second, third floor above B, A is first, second floor above B, or A can be immediately above B. This in this case. But in this case, if A is exactly above B, then A has to be just 1 floor above B. Means B here, then we have to keep A here. So, seventh one, at least 2 people live between A and B. At least 2 people means minimum 2 people, or it can be more than 2. Means we have to consider 2 people at least, or more than 2 we can consider. Let's see the example. So here 2 people, 2 floors are between A and B. there can be 3, there can be 4, up to 7, right? So in the 8th, all at most 2 people live between A and B. Then there can be 2, means maximum 2 people can live between A and B, 1 or no people can live between A and B. Here at most 2 means at most 2 people, 1 people or no people. So these three possibilities are applied here. 9th condition, P live between A and B and P live exactly between A and B. What does it mean? If P live between A and B, it means that P can live anywhere between A and B. Means, for example, if I take B in the first floor and A in the 5th floor, then P can be in the 4th, 3rd and 2nd floor. If B is in the 1st floor, then P can be in the 3rd floor. But in case of exactly between A and B, then it means the gap between A and P should be equal to the gap between B and P. See, in B and P there is no floor, so in A and P there has to be no floor. See another example. If there is one floor gap between B and P, then there has to be one floor gap between A and P. So this is the meaning of exactly between. Now come to vacant concept, which is the most confusing concept in puzzles. So there are 8 floors and 7 persons are there. So one floor is vacant. How we can consider this? If it is given that 3 persons live between A and B, then there will be 2 cases. 3 persons, 3 floors. Means there can be possibility that there will be 3 persons between A and B, means all the floors are filled. There is no vacant floor in between A and B. This is a condition. And second condition can be 3 persons, 4 floors. Means there can be 1 vacant floor. Then we have to place 3 persons between A and B. So we have to consider first person here, second person here, third person here, then B. Means 4 floors are there. Now 3 floors between A and B. Then 3 persons, 3 floors. If we have to place 3 floors between A and B, then simply there is 3 floors between A and B. Here 3 persons can sit. Or another one is 2 persons, 3 floors. There can be a vacant floor between A and B. So we can place only 2 persons. But floors here are 3. So this is the difference between floors and persons. In some case you have seen that 3 persons are mentioned and in some case floors are mentioned. So we have to differentiate between floors and persons. Because in case of person, we have to consider persons with vacant flat, right? So in case of linear arrangement now, A is 2 places away from B. What does it mean? It means that there is a gap of 1 person between A and B. Either B is to the left of A or to the right of A. But there will be 1 person gap between A and B. Last one is A is followed by Q. It means that A will come first, then Q. Q will come. So in my upcoming videos, I will try to solve puzzles where all these conditions that I explained you, I will try to solve in my videos. So thank you for watching this video.